It's a 2013 Ford Explorer, aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and automatic transmission. New car test drive rights. For many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.